Wow.
It looks so nice, right?
Oh yeah.
In the next 10 minutes, I'm gonna go from looking like this to something like this, and this, and this. Speaking of a more sophisticated look, today's video is actually sponsored by HerGivenHair, and I actually love this brand. And I'm not just saying that because this is an ad. This is actually my second time working with this company, and I'm really glad that we are working together again. HerGivenHair is a hair company that specializes in making natural textured wig and weaves for the girlies and the ladies like me who prefer to wear a more natural, authentic looking weave. And today I am wearing their Kinky blowout half textured wig, and I just mean like, where's the wig? I mean like, where is it? And I'm really happy with this unit. I think this one is my favorite by far because it just blends so well. So throughout this whole video, I'll be taking this wig through ups and downs, photo shoots, parties, you name it, I'm taking it there. I'm going to be wearing this wig for a week, and then I'll come back and let you guys know how much out of 10 do I recommend you getting this weave. So far, it has been day one, and I've already ran a test to see how long it would take me to slip this on my head and get out of the house. And let's see how that went. It is currently 4:14, and by 4:20, I should be done. Let's start the timer. It is literally 4:20 right now. And I don't mean that kind of 4:20. I mean like I started at 4:16 and it's now 4:20 and I'm done already. And I'm ready for the rest of the video, so let's go. All right guys, that's the finished look. Let's go get Simus's reaction before the video. And then I promise we're gonna tell you all the things that we have to tell you. It's giving, it really is. Okay, Simus, do you want to see how long my hair grew in 5 minutes?
Wow.
It looks so nice, right?
Oh yeah.
Wait, let's turn on the other light.
Oh, look at that. Let me see it. Let me see it. 360. Wow.
It looks so nice. Effortlessly. I didn't flat iron anything. Actually, I flat ironed this like a week ago, but this I didn't do anything to, and this is all my real hair. Who's gonna tell me no?
And it survived all these travels, huh?
Right? Rode in my suitcase all the way to Europe and it's okay. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. So I love this because it is so easy to deal with. It's easy to put on, easy to pop off if you don't want to wear it to bed. You can even wear it to bed. I have done it before. I wore it to bed before. But yeah, it is so versatile, so flexible. You can leave minimal leave out, but like I like things to look real. And even if you do a little bit of leave out, it still looks very real. There's no glue, no lace, minimal leave out, and it is so quick to put on. So far, day one, it is 100 out of 10 for me. So it is the morning of the photo shoot, and I'm really excited because we're finally getting things done. We're putting everything together. I look swollen. I gotta curl my hair, gotta do my makeup, but I just put my unit on and I showed you guys how easy it is to put this hair on. But I'm gonna put some like drop curls real quick. So we are finally here at the studio. Hair and makeup seems to be done.
Which was my better side? This side?
I don't remember. All right, so I think that you guys deserve a full look at the hair and makeup. And this is the hair.
And this is the outfit.
And that's the outfit. And this is the makeup, guys. My makeup is really old by now, but I think it still looks pretty good. And I did it myself, and I learned like 2 days ago. So the photo shoot was a success, and we are so excited for the launch of this project that we're doing. But I want to show you guys the outfits that I had chosen today. And again, special thanks to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. I mean, look at my given hair. It just looks amazing. I don't even have to do anything. The only thing that took me a while this morning was I was curling it, so it took a little while, but the curls kind of fell out because I don't really have anything to like make them stay. But yeah, this is just, what more could I ask for? I'm gonna wear this hair everywhere. I'm going to a Dex It Up concert soon, and I'm taking it. Anywhere where I'm going, I'm literally taking this hair, and I couldn't recommend it more. It's super easy to put on, and like you can style it however you want, and you don't have to leave out a lot of your own hair, and it blends very, very well. So, except this part that's trying to embarrass me right now, that I didn't flat iron. But yeah. All right, guys, today is a really important day for us. And I'm just gonna get into character. So I already curled this because who had the time to do it on camera? Not me. But I'm gonna show you guys.
The deception?
There's no deception, so Michelle, I'm always honest with you. Wait, I need help.
I'm not helping.
Help! Okay, see? It's almost on. And these curls that I was able to get from this, A1 from day one. All right, so let's take these out. Actually, I'll curl the front of my hair first. I'll curl the front of my hair and then, but yeah, even if you don't really want to put heat in your hair, you could just go like this, but my roots are really, interesting. I might not even need to do that. All right, let's see. Wow, I literally just did like a little, what we call tiny bumps, and I just took them out, and this is what I achieved from that. That's insane. I said I'll be done soon. Ooh, look at that. This, by the way, is all my real hair. And I didn't do anything to the bottom part. I just literally did a tiny bump overnight. But because my roots are all natural, I'm literally just like flattening my roots because everything will look poofy if I don't. And I still want to have some volume, so I'm only like barely doing this. And I don't know, I try to not flat iron my hair as much as possible because like we don't want to get heat damage. There it is. And then this is it. I just like put this back here like that and everything blends so great together. Okay, let's just do the other side and we'll be done. I like to take this little part and put it in the front and just give this guy some bend. Just have it like that. This definitely needed to be like finer curls, but I really don't have the time. This is my last one. You see the difference, guys? This versus this. And one thing that I did to my hair that was such a game changer is getting a keratin treatment, because even after I flat iron my hair, after washing and everything, you can see that the keratin is still in there, which just makes my silk presses or flat ironing sessions just look like 10 times better. And that's all I do. I don't even go down to the full length of my hair because it's already curled. Alright guys, that's it. That's the finished look. And the curls did not stay in this as long as I thought they would, but my curls from overnight, they're just banging. And I'm definitely gonna be cutting my hair in a bob, but I don't know, this wig, it could give me like 10 different looks in one, and I am absolutely here for it. And it's just so easy to blend, look at that. So the wig starts somewhere back here, and the rest of it is my real hair. And I'm ready to meet the mayor of Panavegis. I cannot believe that we're meeting the mayor today. It's just so crazy to me. But anyways, I'll catch you guys when we come back and see how my hair holds up. Ugh, I kind of hate that some of it is curled and some of it is not. I really didn't expect these curls to fall out that easily. But I'm just gonna probably tuck this under and just have the curly parts like out. But yeah, that's crazy. Anyways, bye. Alright guys, that is it for this one. Let me know what you think of this unit down below. And I think this is definitely a great investment for 2024, especially if you want something quick and easy, and if you want to change up your style a little bit like I am, you know, looking a little bit more sophisticated. But yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching.